Thank you for purchasing the Alarm.com product, whether it be smart home security, home automation, or our IP security system. I want to thank you personally. And this video is a walkthrough application of what the web application is, how to log into your account, what all the features are, how to set up some features. And we also going to do that on the mobile device. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So there's two ways you can get to your account. You can go to our website, securitesecurities.com. You can navigate over to services and click on interactive home security. As you scroll down, you will see here alarm.com. You could select that button there and then click on the login, put your username and password and log straight in. Or you can go straight to alarm.com. And then from there, you can just click login and you'll be able to log in as well. So once we log in, going to send a verification code if you have a two-step setup. So now once you log in on the web application, you'll have your main display. And here you will have, if you have cameras, if you have card access, if you have the alarm system, whatever you will have here will display all of your features here. Door locks, all the controls will be here on your home screen. You have this first drop down menu where it says Richardson system. You can click that down. You can link a system. Let's say you have a business and you also have this alarm.com in your home. You can link the two systems together. That's what that is for. Your home screen has a gear wheel here to the right of it where you could check off what it is that you actually want to see on your home screen. You want to see activity, you want to see video clips, or you want to hide something. So here we just leave it at default. On the left side, you have your video tab. And on the top of the video tab, you have your live video, onboard 27 timeline, save video clips, recording rules, and also your settings. And over to the right, you can reset the main screen. So in your live video, you will have cameras here if your cameras is already added to your system. But if you purchase any new cameras, you can add your camera here. It'll bring it up to this menu. And if it's all connected to your network, it'll just pop up here on your network. And then from there, you can update the firmware and it will add the camera. Once you name it, you can name it and add your camera. The next tab over, onboarding 24/7 timeline. If your plan include this is on 24/7. This is what you will see, all the footage for your cameras 24/7, but we don't have 24/7 because that would take up a lot of footage. Here will be your saved video clips. So any video clips that's saved is usually like 3 to 5 minutes. You could actually set that time frame. The next tab over is your recording rules. Here you can set how you want the camera to record. If you wanted to record motion, if you only wanted to record when somebody walk in, there's different parameters that you could have set up here once you configure your cameras. Once you have cameras set up, you can configure these parameters. But being I don't have any cameras set up, I won't be able to add any new rules. So over into the next tab, we have the settings tab. Here you could also add a video device and you can name your camera groups. If you have front cameras, cameras in the front, cameras in the back, cameras on the inside, you can name all of your groups and also your recording rules. So back over to the left, we're going to slide down to automation. Automation is how, say like if the camera detect motion, you can send yourself an email, a text message, and things like that. So you can build out different automation functions inside of this alarm.com app. Notifications, this is what's going to send you if there's you can actually configure this. So let's go inside this notification. So it says systems actions to watch. And I want to make sure that this notification is always active. If it's a low battery signal, let's say if I have an alarm system, a wireless alarm system, one of the contacts have a low battery, it's going to send me a low battery signals to this email address and also to the cell phone that's registered as well. Slide over to activity. You can click this button to learn more or you can explore on your own. The activity page is everything that's happening inside the account. If someone logged in, the mobile app, the web app, whatever's going on inside of the app, will be here. If you added a new user, all of this information will be here. Slide over to the left, back over to users. You can add new users by clicking on the new user button and putting their first and last name and then clicking create. When we get over to support, the phone number here is not correct. It's actually 845-445-6446. However, the email address, you can still put a support ticket here. The help documentation will give you more information about the products that you actually have, some tutorial videos, how to use the app, and some featured articles. You could also launch a website tour. This will give you an overall understanding, pretty much exactly what I'm going through, but it is just highlight the things you read it, and you'll be able to understand how this app actually works. Inside of the Discover tab, here you will find a lot more training videos, other products that actually can work with this alarm.com. There's a lot of stuff in here that you can sift through, learn, figure out how this thing can actually work for you, how you can make it work for you, analytics and things of that nature. And you can also see what other compatible devices you can add to this system. Down below at the settings, you have your login information that you can change, your account management. This is where you would have your account information, your system information, property information. And if you want to move, you could actually transfer this service over to the new location. You can manage your devices. If you have more than one user, they will have their cell phone here, tablet, whatever is connected to it. Places, this is your geo reference. So say like wherever your system is installed, this is going to give you your geo reference of actually where you live. So each friend you refer, you get an actual $50 credit towards your account. And then once you finish setting up everything, looking at the clips or whatever's going on in your system, you can just log out at that point there. So if you need additional help, you could always click the link below, so that way you can set up a Zoom session, so that way we connect, I can remote view in, and we can set up all of the details inside of your alarm.com app, whether it be on the web or on a mobile app. However you want to do it, we can set it up. It would actually show on both devices, so whichever you feel comfortable in setting it up on, just let me know. Click the link below, so that way we could actually get this going and we can set it up, and I can walk you through this. I appreciate you, and thank you for trusting us and providing security for you. If you have any help, just let us know. I'll talk to you in the next one.